Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to get verified by AdSense without using PIN. One of the well-known and reliable ways to make money from your blog is through Google AdSense. It is straightforward, highly effective, and well-liked source of income for publishers and websites. However, it is true that Google's policies make it very challenging to get your blog approved. Following account approval, Google has additional verification procedures. Google verifies your account by checking the address of the account holder. Google sends a PIN code to your address before transferring money in order to confirm your identity and address. Just follow the steps. So, to avoid any problems with your PIN, you have to make sure of this following. Okay, so your requirements, your ID. Okay, so always make sure that your address is same with your ID. Your address is same with your, of course, name of your identity here. Now, if your ID doesn't have your address, then you can just submit your bank account or anything that has your name and your address. It could be a bill, something like that. But still, if you have problems with your identity, then you can go to this site, Identity Verification Troubleshooter. You just have to click that one. Now, if you have some problems with your ID, like it's not accepted or document submitted was invalid or any other issues here, you just have to click this and your questions will be answered. After that, you can go back to your account or you can go back to Google AdSense Help. Now, if you don't remember your address, or let's just say you change your address and you want the exact details of your address, all you have to do is to go to Google AdSense, AdSense for YouTube, scroll down and click this payments info. Okay, so here you have to scroll down again. As you can see, anyways, you can see here your earnings, your transactions, but let's just skip to that and click this manage settings. Now we have here your payments account, your payment profile. So here you can see name and address. So always remember that your name and address on your documents that you submitted should be same with this in order for you to avoid any problems when it comes to your PIN. So if you want to change your address and name, all you have to do is to click the pencil icon and you can change your name here. You can change your address, but I would suggest that before doing this, or if you want to really change your address, you should have done it before making a Google AdSense. I mean, if you want to create a Google AdSense, you have to make sure of everything: your name, your address, your identity. Okay, so that's it. To start the manual verification, you have to go to this site in order for you to send your PIN. But in my case, my PIN is already verified, so I cannot show you that. But for those people who have sent PIN 3 times already, or you cannot access your PIN anymore, so it will show here that you cannot access your PIN anymore in this part. But it says here that my verification is complete, so I cannot show you that. So problems like wrong address, or they have sent you a couple of times, this could be the reasons why you cannot have your PIN again, or there might be a big problem when it comes to your PIN. So in order for you to get verified with AdSense, you have to get verified without a PIN. So how are we going to do that? First is you need to find the PIN troubleshooter. So where are we going to see that PIN troubleshooter? So you can see this by going to your YouTube account, YouTube channel. It should be here. You must see it here, but I can't see PIN troubleshooter here. Maybe it's because of my settings or my region. or there's differences when it comes to the features with my country and your country, so I can see here. But don't worry, there's another way on how to see the pin troubleshooter. All you have to do is to go back to Google AdSense help, and actually you can just type it right here, pin troubleshooter or AdSense pin troubleshooter. So here all you have to do is to scroll down and then look for having problems with your pin. So we have problems with your pin and pin troubleshooter. So if you're going to click this problems with your pin and then pin troubleshooter, first let's try this problems with your pin here. Okay, so if you're going to click this problems with your pin, or okay, pin troubleshooter, all you have to do is to verify your email address. Okay, make sure that you verify your email address. Now here, it's a different setting here because my pin is already completed or okay. Now, if your pin is not okay, they will ask you again if you have received the pin already or not yet. You have to click not yet. And then you should see a contact form. If you have problems with your PIN, the contact form is different with the contact form that I'm going to show you now. The contact form with, having problems with your PIN, you should provide your payments account ID. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I think 16 numbers. And then payments account nickname. It starts with AdSense for YouTube, BUB, and then numbers. And then payments profile ID, okay, country, region, and so on. But if you're going to see this one, it's kind of different, but it's okay. You can just also type here or tell them the reason why you need to contact them, and it's because of your PIN. You cannot have your PIN, or you want to get access or get verified with AdSense, but you don't have the PIN anymore. So after doing this, you can click submit, and then wait for the customer service to reply or to respond or to take action with this, and hope that they can help you with your PIN problem. So to make it short, if you have problems with your PIN and you want to be or get verified with AdSense but you don't have the PIN, so all you have to do is to go to Google AdSense help, and as you can see the first one here, problems with PIN, you can just solve this by going to this site and submit whatever they ask. Enter your PIN to verify your payment address. Okay, you also have to read this one and then submit everything they need. Also, if for payment timelines for AdSense, you have to submit what they need. So that's how you get verified without PIN by AdSense. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.